Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. I am Coach Jeremy and here to talk to you, engage you, and familiarize you with a very important part in this licensure exam studying process, family therapy. Murray Bowman versus Salvador Minuchin. I am Coach Jeremy. Can be reached at coachjeremyacwc@gmail.com. Available, of course, for individual sessions as well, and can you can find me doing group sessions as well as some Facebook Live as well. But today we are talking about Murray Bowman and Salvador Minuchin. Bowman and Minuchin are pivotal figures in the field of family therapy, each developing distinct approaches for family dynamics and therapy. Murray Bowman, family systems theory. Bowen is known for his family systems theory, which views the family as an emotional unit and uses systems thinking to describe the complex interactions within it. He emphasized understanding multi-generational family dynamics and patterns. Some key concepts to absorb here: the differentiation of self, the extent to which an individual can separate their own intellectual and emotional functioning from that of the family. Triangular relationships, a concept where a two-person relationship under stress will involve a third person to reduce tension. Multi-generational transmission process, how families transmit behaviors, emotions, and relationship patterns across generations. And therapeutic approach, focus on increasing individual family members' levels of differentiation. The therapist takes a neutral and non-anxious presence, allowing family members to explore their roles and interactions with the family system. Now, Salvador Minuchin, the structural family therapy, theoretical framework here. Minuchin developed structural family therapy, focusing on the family structure and the organization of its subsystems. He believed that problems within a family often stem from unhealthy family structures. Some key concepts: family structure, the invisible set of functional demands organizing the ways in which family members interact. Subsystems, differentiation of the family into smaller units, parental, siblings, each unit with its own roles and boundaries. And boundaries are those invisible barriers that regulate the amount of contact with others. Theoretical approach emphasizes reorganizing the family structure to stabilize it and strengthen appropriate boundaries. The therapist is often more directive, engaging actively to challenge and modify dysfunctional family dynamics. And a little comparing and contrasting, the focus from Bowman's approach focuses on the individual's role and differentiation within the family systems, while Minuchin concentrates on the family structure and boundaries. Techniques: Bowman used genograms and detailed family histories for analysis. Minuchin often used role-playing and direct confrontation to alter family dynamics. Therapist roles: Bowman's method involves a more neutral and observational stance from the therapist, while Minuchin's approach is more hands-on and directive. The goals here both aim to improve family functioning, but do so through different means. Bowman through understanding family patterns and increasing differentiation, and Minuchin through restructuring family dynamics and reinforcing healthy boundaries. And in conclusion, both Minuchin or Bowman and Minuchin both significantly influenced the family therapy, but with different approaches. Bowman's theory is more focused on the individual within the family context and generational patterns, while Minuchin's theory emphasizes the structure and organization within the family unit. And understanding these differences is crucial for practitioners in the field of family therapy counseling. And as you see right here, a little picturesque, where in structural, you're diving right into it and getting your hands dirty, being a part of the family, joining whatever the situation is. And of course, the family systems therapy, the approach that both of them have that are very distinct in their own ways. And some practice questions that we got for you here. Number one, you have been working with Elsie, a 14-year-old who is struggling in school. In your last session, you ask Elsie's mother if you can spend the evening with the family in their home to do some family work. You explain that you will arrive and have dinner with the family and then observe how the family interacts with each other. Your technique is an aspect of which family therapy model? Is it stratified family therapy, logical family intervention, structural family therapy, or strategic family intervention? Give everyone a second here to think about that. All right. C, structural family therapy involves the involvement of the therapist into the family structure in order to accurately assess and treat the family. Strategic family intervention does not go as far as to place a therapist in the family environment. So distinction there. All right, we got another one here, which is not a technique that would be used in the systemic therapeutic approach. The use of a genogram, focus on transgenerational meanings and cultural perspectives within the family systems. C, focus on the family relationships. Or D, perform an enactment intervention. Give everyone here a second to think. All right, answer is D, perform an enactment intervention, structural family therapy. Again, really digging into the hands-on approach for structural family therapy. All right, and of course, here's a few promo codes if you want to meet with me and go over some more stuff aside from family, but anything else on the NCE or NCMHCE or CPCE, happy to help. Again, Coach Jeremy here for Academic Coaching World Changers. Hope everyone's having a great day and good luck studying for your exam.